Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check send snaps from camera roll as number snap. So let's start. So first let's go to Snapchat and then let's go to message. Here in message, just go to an account that you want to send message here. And then we are here, just select your camera. And now just click and send a pic from this. Okay, so just click here. And then just click here on send. Then wait a little bit until this will send to your friend. So when you do it, it will be sent to the friend, and also you can select any picture from camera roll. If you want to send a snap to, you can select it. So just select the picture that you prefer to send, and then just send here. Just wait a little bit until this is loaded. And that's it. As you can see, we send the picture as a snap, very easy. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.